My name is Just Roby. I'm the host of Robeytech. Robeytech is a show dedicated to PC building, tech news, tech deals, and all that sort of stuff. I just ordered 2,000 pounds of Chinese soup. That's right, it's wonton. Sorry, I heard that earlier and I was pretty excited about it. Let's talk about what's happening on tonight's show. AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is the CPU. It's an 8-core, 16-thread CPU for the motherboard, and I'm so grateful for this. The ASUS TUF B550 Plus. So that is our motherboard. For our storage, Western Digital Black SN750s. We have one for 500 for OS, 1 terabyte for games. We're using Corsair AMD Ready 4000 megahertz Corsair Vengeance Pro RAM. This was my 2020 AIO of the year. This is the H100i Elite Capellix. So we're going to use the 850 EVGA G3. For case, we'll show this a little later on. We're using the Lancool 2 mesh. We're using the Corsair ML120 Pros for all of our fans. Finally, I'm so excited about this. This is the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT, the ASROCK Taichi. Let's see how fast we can build this PC. Okay, 620, here we go, guys. We're gonna get it going. Here we go. Take out all of our stuff with our Robeytech knife. There we go. Okay, there's all the components right there. Okay, here we go. Taking this to 90 degrees. There we go. Put our RAM in. Okay, we're gonna throw the 2280 in here. 500 gig. Here's the 1 terabyte. There we go. There we go, first one in. There we go. Now we're gonna peel our thermal pad. And this goes this way. Motherboard's done. Let's grab our case. Ugh. Front off. Here we go. All of our fans are ready to get pulled off here. So we don't need that one. And we don't need this one. Don't need this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so Lian Li fans are out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep our fans for reinstalling here. Okay, let's grab our ML fans. The fans are in. Okay, let's get our case, our motherboard in. First thing we're gonna do is put in our back plate. There we go. Back plate's in. Motherboard goes in. Okay, let's do our single rear ML120 fan. All of our fans are now in. Now we prep our AIO. Ugh. Okay, let's figure out where we're gonna put our hub and hook up all of our fans. This is always the part that's gonna slow you down, ladies and gentlemen, is the cable management. There's all of our front panels hooked up. Now, let's get our GPU installed. Excited about this GPU. Oh, that ASROCK 6800 XT. Look at that. That's a beauty. That is a thick boy for sure. Not a lot of peels though. Boom. Boom. GPU's in. Let's get our cable extensions on. There we go. So the only thing we got to do now is put in our PSU. Cable managed, clean, good to go. There we go. And there we go. And there it is. Okay, so let's be super clear what I just did. Freaking, and what was the total? It started at 620. So in an hour and 40 minutes, we RGB, cable managed, like end to end, completely done build in the whole thing. Come on, that's impressive. That's impressive.